Morning. It's the day after the West Highland Way and it's 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm going to try and climb Ben Nevis for the first time. I've just parked there at the Braveheart car park and it's just a few hundred yards from the Nevis visitor centre where you get the bridge over the river to start the ascent. It's about 8 degrees now, I'd say. Possible chance of showers throughout the day, but when you're not in the rain, visibility is going to be good. So I'm all prepared, warm clothing and all that. I know the way. Let's get on with it. I won't be alone on this ascent today. There's 3 other people from the group of us that bumped into each other several times on the West Highland Way. A party of 4 going up. It should take 7 hours or so. And up over this cool bridge. Looks pretty new. Looks pretty cool. And that's the Ben up there. So we've left the valley floor and the ascent begins. Up there. Just across there where those trees have been cleared is where I walked through yesterday at the end of the West Highland Way and down that track halfway up the side of the hill. Just above Glen Nevis campsite down there. And down to Fort William. A bit further up. And it continues. Getting steeper now. Heavier rain now, fully waterproofed up. Cool bridge. Slippy rocks, I've got to be careful across here. There we are. And we're coming up into the mist now. About an hour and 20 minutes in, we're about a third of the way up, maybe a bit more, and the path is pitched with these stones all the way so far, so the footing's pretty good, although because of the rain it's pretty slippy. Nice and steady. About halfway, there's the lake and the zigzag start, and probably the pain too. Stopped raining and the clouds have lifted a bit and it's a little bit brighter, so great view as well.
Gotcha.
I can only do a one-legged snow angel. It's got right in the pants. Oh dear. I won't put the pants bit on YouTube. Up into the cloud now, and the tall cairns are here now for when there's a lot of snow. It's still a rough path, but we've finished with the zigzags. And now we've got the last bit to the summit, which is still a fairly stiff climb, but we're in the latter stages now.
Oh, that's tiring.
Hail's coming in now. Nearly at the summit now, and if you look over my shoulder over there you can see there's a cornice from the snow, and that's just above the north side of the hill, and that's very dangerous up here. If you go treading on that you might just drop, so we've got to stay to the right. summit shelter. Cool. Stickers from everywhere. Down there, but I'm not going any closer. Okay, at the top, made it. Yes. Well done, guys. We did it. Yes. Let's go. It's a bit slippy coming down here.
No, Nim, don't you dare! Don't you dare!
Ying, come on, baby.
Nim, ready up!
Come on, princess. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Getting lower down now. Halfway down, back to the sunshine and the warmth. And I've got the other hat on. That's a full set in one walk. Nearly back down to the valley now. Sitting down on the grass, nearly down to the Nevis campsite, and it's lovely and warm here. What a contrast to up on the summit. So I'm back at the car now, and it's the end of the walk, and I've always wanted to climb Ben Nevis, and turned out to be quite an adventure, didn't it? So it was also a great way to round off the West Highland Way. So I'm going home now. Thanks for watching.